Guys, I am currently working hard on making chess video because I have decided to present 100 chess videos to my viewers by 2024. So those who like the Chess Dangerous YouTube channel before must give me a comment. Okay, friends, I'm sorry for talking so much. Now we start the game directly. Let's check out the trap number 12th out of 100. White start with king's pawn, opening pawn e4. Black plays knight f6, the Aлекhine's defense. White pussies e5, attacking the knight. Black move the knight to d5. It's called the normal variation. Then we play the knight c6. Same time it is defender for e5 pawn. Black plays d6, try to exchange these dangerous pawn. White goes for bishop c4, developing his bishop and attack this knight. Black move this knight to b6 and attacking the bishop. White capture the pawn with bishop 7, sacrificing the bishop. This is quite a common theme you will find in many opening trap. However, after the bishop checks f7, the king is forced to take the bishop. Then comes knight g5 check. If black moves his king to the g6 square, his king will be out of bounds. And if he tries king e8, then white can play e6, and black will be completely destroyed. Therefore, in this position, black moved to king g8. White bring out his queen now, queen to f3. It's threatening to mate on the next move. So black resists this checkmate thread with his queen e8. That was his only move. Then white pushes e6. Now black is locked down. From here, there's only one good move for black. Can you find it? Well, the best move for black is pawn g6. At first, this might seem dangerous, but it was black's best move. Anyway, black does not pay this. He plays pawn h6, attacking the knight. That's a blender because we have a mate in 2. First queen f7 check. Queen capture queen. Only legal move. And finally, pawn take queen. What is this? Oh my god, guys, it's a dangerous checkmate. Guys, this video is end. See you in my next video. Because I upload important videos on my channel every day. You are invited to check out all my videos. Guys, please give more than like. Maybe then my channel would have improved a bit. And definitely requested to subscribe to fulfill my dream. Because 100K subscribers on my channel is my dream. Anyway, good luck to all my viewers. Tata and bye-bye.